Hello friends, how are you all? Today I'm gonna unbox a Sparx Loafers which I ordered from Amazon, and today I get it. As you can see here, and it's a very nice packaging from Flipkart. So let's just cut this pouch. So from this side we will cut this pouch, and after cutting this pouch we got a box from Sparx which you can see here. And so after cutting this pouch we got a Sparx box which you can see here, and I will show you the exact what the content is. So from this side you will see the size is 8 and the MRP is 999 Indian rupees if one pair of Sparx loafer. So okay, I will show you the loafers from Sparx. So in this box we got loafers with a plastic wrap. Okay, and the box condition is very bad, and the loafers is, as you can see here, it's looking very pretty. The first look is very awesome, you can see here, and here is the Sparx branding tag, and the quality of this loafers is very nice. It's a heel of 1 inch, and the design it's looking very nice. So it's a value for money product. I will show you the exact price what I paid for this. So you can see the total MRP what I paid for this. I paid 949 Indian rupees for this Sparx loafer, which is really very nice. You can see here the look is very awesome, and the quality of this loafers is very nice. So if you want to buy this product, I will give the separate link in the description below. You can buy it from Amazon as well as Flipkart. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.